If you're tired of messy, overgrown lawn edges and want that clean, professional look without spending hours trimming by hand, you're in the right place. In this video, we're breaking down the top 3 best lawn edgers you can buy. Whether you want raw cutting power, ergonomic comfort, or a perfect balance of both, we've got a pick for every type of yard. Let's go! In the third, the Worx is a highly efficient and versatile 2-in-1 yard maintenance tool, specifically engineered for homeowners who want sharp, professional-looking lawn edges and the ability to dig narrow trenches with ease. Powered by a robust 12-amp motor, it delivers consistent, high-torque performance that easily handles both soft grass borders and tougher soil conditions, allowing you to cut through roots and packed dirt without stalling or slowing down. One of its standout features is the heavy-duty, hardened steel blade, which ensures a clean, deep cut every time, and is designed to withstand long-term use without dulling quickly. With 3 adjustable cutting depths, 1 inch, 1.25 inches, and 1.5 inches, you can fine-tune the depth depending on the type of edging or trenching work you're doing. Whether it's along sidewalks, flower beds, driveways, or for laying down invisible dog fences, garden lighting cables, or irrigation systems. The tool's ergonomic design includes a pivoting D-grip handle and adjustable shaft, providing a comfortable and balanced grip for users of varying heights and reducing arm and back fatigue during longer tasks. Users particularly appreciate how easy it is to maneuver, thanks to its lightweight build and the guide wheel that helps you stay on track for straight, precise lines. Customer feedback is generally very positive, with many homeowners noting that it instantly improved the overall look of their yard by creating those clean, crisp edges that make a lawn stand out. They also appreciate not having to rely on battery life, as the corded design means uninterrupted power for larger jobs. However, some mention the inconvenience of managing the power cord, especially in wide or obstacle-filled areas, and note that the tool works best on moist or loosened soil, as extremely dry or rocky ground can require more effort. That said, for the price point, durability, and ease of use, the Worx is considered a great investment. In conclusion, this tool combines power, precision, and versatility, making it a smart and reliable choice for anyone looking to maintain a well-manicured lawn, while also having the ability to handle light trenching tasks around the garden or yard without the need for multiple tools or expensive landscaping services. Secondly, the Black Plus Decker 12-amp 2-in-1 landscape edger and trencher is a powerful and versatile electrical tool designed for homeowners who want professional-looking lawn edges and clean trenches with minimal effort. At its core, a high-torque 12-amp motor drives a 7.5-inch thick edge blade, capable of powering through tough overgrowth and compacted soil. One of its standout features is the 2-in-1 functionality. It instantly converts from a precision lawn edger into a trencher for installing cables, dog fences, or landscape lighting. Users can take full control of their cuts thanks to 3 adjustable blade depth settings and a pull-up edge guide that ensures clean, straight lines along driveways, patios, and garden borders. The ergonomic design is thoughtful, offering both left and right-handed assist grips, tool-free setup, and a convenient access door for cleaning grass and dirt from the guard. The sturdy steel blade is durable, and the edge guide ensures accuracy in every cut. Most users love how this tool transforms their yard with neat edges and smooth trenches. Its corded operation means endless runtime without battery stress, though it may limit mobility and require careful extension cord management in larger yards. Additionally, it works best when soil is moist or loose. Dry, rocky ground may need multiple passes. In conclusion, the Black Plus Decker 2-in-1 edger and trencher balances power, flexibility, and user-friendly design, making it a smart investment for homeowners looking to elevate their landscaping and tackle multiple lawn care tasks with one reliable tool. And to finish, first of all, The Greenworks Pro 80-volt 8-inch brushless edger delivers exceptional cleaning precision and cordless convenience with its powerful brushless motor and robust 8-inch blade with a built-in curb wheel, designed to create clean, sharp edges effortlessly. Operating at 7,000 RPM and compatible with any Greenworks 80-volt lithium-ion battery, providing up to 80 minutes of runtime on a 2 amp-hour pack. This edger offers fade-free power and versatile performance across Greenworks' 80-volt tool lineup. Its ergonomic design includes an adjustable auxiliary handle, cushioned over-molded grip, and guide wheel for better control and comfort during extended use. Engineered with a durable straight shaft and lightweight yet sturdy build, approximately 10 to 16 pounds depending on configuration, this tool offers maneuverability and consistent performance, especially as part of Greenworks' extensive tool ecosystem. However, because the unit is tool-only, it requires a separately purchased battery and charger, potentially increasing initial cost and setup time. Additionally, the edger only cuts vertically. Angled or curved trenching requires more manual effort, and its performance can be reduced slightly in extremely hard or rocky soil. Despite these minor caveats, many users value its precision edging, cordless versatility, and the ability to share batteries across multiple tools. In conclusion, the Greenworks Pro 80-volt cordless edger is a high-capacity, ergonomic choice for homeowners seeking clean, efficient lawn edging without the hassle of cords, especially when already invested in the 80-volt Greenworks system. In summary, each of these lawn edgers brings something unique to the table, whether it's cutting-edge power, ergonomic design, or smart, user-friendly features that make lawn care easier and more enjoyable. Choosing the right tool doesn't just save you time, it transforms your outdoor space with clean, sharp edges and a polished finish. With the right edger in hand, maintaining a neat and beautiful yard becomes less of a chore and more of a satisfying routine. If you are interested in the product, the link is in the description. But above all, subscribe to not miss the next videos. See you soon.